Hello everyone, Standard 9 History, Lesson number 4 Economic Development. Now we are going to discuss about the issues of workers. Let us see the first textile mill in Maharashtra was started in Mumbai on 11th July 1851 by Kavasji Dawar. Slowly and eventually the textile mills started also at Dadar, Parel, Bhaikhala, Shivdi, Prabhadevi and Waradi. And this part of Mumbai having textile mills was started to be called as Girgaon or Girangaon or town of mills. Now in 1980, the increasing unrest among the workers was due to the economic conditions and the wages given to them. Now, comparatively, in other industries, the workers were given better wages. Even they were given better bonus for Diwali. Now, in the Diwali of 1981, the workers from textile mills expected 20% of the bonus to be given to them. The Rashtriya Mil Mazdoor Sangh, which was an organization of the workers and was negotiating with the owners of the textile mills, agreed for 8 to 17% bonus. Now, this organization did not take the workers in confidence and the workers denied this suggestion. They gathered together or came together under the leadership of Dr. Datta Samant. Now, these were the workers from 65 different textile mills. Dr. Datta Samant declared a strike on 18th January 1982. 2.5 lakh workers went on strike. In this way, Girangaon mills completely stopped. Now let us see what happened. The Chief Minister of Maharashtra, Barrister A.R. Antule, set up a committee to solve this issue. Later, Babasaheb Bhosle became the Chief Minister of Maharashtra. He insisted that he would not talk to any other leader of the workers, for example, Dr. Datta Samant, but he would negotiate with Rashtriya Mil Mazdoor Sangh as per the law, because Rashtriya Mazdoor Sangh was a registered organization of workers. Dr. Datta Samant did not have a registered organization. In the beginning, the striking workers received help from their native villages, their relatives, even they helped each other. Even the left parties, communist parties or Communist Party of India supported this strike. But this strike went on it completed 6 months, but did not or could not find any solution. Finally, the workers started a Jail Bharo Andolan or agitation. In September 1982, 1.5 lakh workers took a march on Legislative Assembly of Maharashtra state. But still, it did not help to find any solution. This way, the strike went on or completed an year. And this was the first strike that went on for such a long period. Now, as polyester had come into greater demand than cotton cloth, the sale of mill cloth had already got affected. The mills moved from Mumbai to Surat. And in this way, even meanwhile, the central government nationalized 13 textile mills. And in this way, this strike could not find any solution or could not find any end. And workers on a large scale, a lakh and 1,50,000 workers, they lost their jobs. Okay, so this way we discussed about the workers or mill workers strike. In the upcoming video, we would discuss about new economic policy, remedies, okay, and the World Trade Organization. Thank you very much.